Hello, team. Today we are going to be discussing the new company cash handling policy. Recent issues that we've had lately include cash register drawers, discrepancies at the end of the day, and counterfeit bills found. New policy changes that we'll be implementing are include registers will only hold $100 cash at the beginning of shifts. Managers will process drawer drop deposits more periodically throughout shifts, and counterfeit bill checks when cashiers receive bills of $50 or higher. Benefits and implementation lower discrepancies of recorded totals and actual balances at the end of the day for the drawers. This will also fight back against fraud and better track funds. Each cashier station will be provided a counterfeit marker to check bills, and everything should be implemented by November 1st.